Okay, welcome to the Paige family homestead. We're making Salisbury steak today. Peggy just made a video of, what are they called again? Oh, cheesy scalloped potatoes. Wow. So let's get to it. First of all, I got about a pound of hamburger in a bowl. And I'm going to add 1 egg.
Not farm fresh yet.
Not farm fresh yet, no. And then what I've got in here, I've got 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of parsley. And there, I figured I'd save time, just put it all together. Look at that. Oh, what's going in? Yep. Oh, yeah, that's a lot. Now, here we go. Oh.
Hands were washed before we started.
No germs were killed in this showing of this video.
No, germs were killed.
I know. So I said it like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix this all up. And then I'm going to make it into patties. And then after I get this a little bit mixed up, I'm also going to add in half a cup of breadcrumbs into it. Okay. There. Nothing better than just mixing like this. Yeah. That's the best way to mix.
Real cooks get their hands in the food and they taste their food.
I ain't tasting it yet.
No, but if people don't, they're queasy about hands in the food, yeah. Well, get over it. Don't go into a real kitchen.
That's right. What she said.
We're showing the family, the grands and friends how we do it here.
That's great. That won't take long to heat up. Just getting the pan ready. And I'm not going to cook these. I'm just going to shear them on each side. That's a big word for me. Shear. This is like if somebody said, "Andy, would you like a drink?" Sure. Well, let's go get me one. Okay. So I'm going to make it into patties, kind of. These are patties, but they're called Andes. Just like that.
Oops, sorry.
One like a Salisbury steak.
Oblong.
Okay, now we're going to put this, I got 2 tablespoons of butter in the frying pan to give it that flavor for when we make the gravy. So we'll make that one there. And I'll bring back when I get all these done. Okay? Okay, see now they're browning pretty good, so I'm going to flip them over. Oh, they're browning nice. So what I'm going to do is while this is browning, after they're brown, I'm going to put them into here. Then I'm going to make the gravy for it. The magnificent gravy for it. Man gravy, I tell you, man gravy. We'll bring you back as soon as they're brown. Cheers. Okay, so now they're browned, and I'm going to remove them from the frying pan, and we're going to make our gravy. Now, I've got enough grease in there, so I got 6 tablespoons of flour that I'm going to put in here, and we're going to cook this up.
So
roll it all around so it soaks it up.
Equal parts fat to flour.
Right. That's what I was trying to say. Didn't quite work out, so we'll just keep doing that. Get it all in there.
Might need to add a little
A
bit.
little bit of that, right?
Yeah, I didn't
Little
have
bit
quite enough fat.
broth.
Just a bit. There you go.
There we go. Okay.
Makes up for when you don't have enough fat.
Yeah.
You want to cook that flour.
Yep, and get all the floury taste out of it by cooking it. A little bit more in there. There we go. That'll do it. Scrape the bottom of that pan. Get all the flavors up. Out of there. In there. There we go.
Would you like a man tool, sir?
Not that little thing.
Still a fork.
No. Something to give a kid.
I like the solid forks.
There we go, yeah. A little bit of more broth in there. Let's get all the juice in there, all the flavor.
Excuse me.
Oops. I got about, how many cups of broth do I have there? About four cups. Yeah, 4 cups of broth. 2 of your cans.
Yeah.
Homemade beef broth. You can use chicken broth or turkey broth, but it's beef, right? So beef broth or goose would be good. Look at that, that's going nice. There we go, a little bit more. That going in there. What is it, Suki?
Oh man, that smells good.
It does, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
A little more in. Get a little bit more in. Okay, Suki. We hear you. You want this too, don't you? There we go. Nice. Put all that in there. 4 cups.
That would be a full can, or sorry, I think they come in cardboard boxes.
Yeah.
Know? So that would be 4 cups. That would be a full box.
Yep.
Breaking up your lumps.
Yep. Make a nice gravy. It will. Make a nice
Oh yeah,
gravy.
whatever.
I need this.
Oops, sorry.
And put this in. Mushrooms, I got 1 onion. About the same amount of, what do they call?
Mushroom.
Mushrooms. In there. There. Oops. Stick that down there. Now. And now we got Worcestershire sauce. A tablespoon of that. And Peggy's, 3 tablespoons of that. 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. Sorry.
Yeah, 1 tablespoon
yes.
Worcestershire. 3 tablespoons of HP. Which we will have a video on, but in season.
Yeah.
It would be very expensive to make it this time of year.
There we go.
Andy, that smells so good.
I know. Okay, now we're going to let this thicken up. And I'll bring you back when it's thickened up. Okay. Okay, now we're just letting this go, and I forgot 2 things to put into here as well. Just a pinch of salt. Himalayan salt, that is. There. And mustard. Gotta have mustard in there.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now we're going to stir that all in. Oh, she's going to be tasty. Really good. Just going to bring this to a boil. Let that come up to a boil, and we're going to turn it down to a low heat, medium heat, and put it up for 40 minutes with a lid on it. And put the steaks in there
On a low simmer.
on a low simmer.
That's gonna thicken beautifully.
It will.
Looks nice and rich. Wish we had smell-o-vision.
And I bring that up to a full boil, a good boil. I don't think it's hot enough yet, but it's getting there. Yeah, it's coming along good. I think she's hot enough. And I'll put that down to about a 3. And then we'll place the hamburgers in it. The steaks.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Oh, they're gonna be good. Let me tell you what. Oh yeah. Let's coat them a bit. Now, all those juices are gonna marinate together. I'm gonna put the lid on it. Put my timer on for 40 minutes. I'll let Peg do that because I don't know how. I don't know how that stove works.
You're used to the outdoor stuff.
We'll bring you back when it's done.
Okay. Alright, I couldn't take it. How do you cook something and not sample it, right? But please make it. So I waited a few minutes. Andy's got the Salisbury steak cooking in there. Next video. The person I got this recipe from was Prepper Potpourri. Go check her out. Really good. She posted this recipe about 12 months ago. This is probably like the 20th or 30th time I've served it in a year.
Yeah.
Not a month ago. She posted it a year ago, right? Oh, you're reaching for it.
I'm reaching for
I made it. Oh, you're gonna love it.
How would I know?
Because I've made it before.
I know.
Back in the oven. See you later.
Okay, we're back here. Let's take a look at that.
Ooh, press stop on that buzzer.
There we go. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Beautiful. Beautiful. She's ready. She's ready to be plated up. What a frugal. I think I'm going to let this go Frugal Friday. Frugal to make a hamburger patty with spices and the dehydrated potatoes into, what are they called again?
Cheesy scallop potatoes.
Cheesy potatoes, that's what I mean. That's what they say about
In the dehydrated playlist.
And then we're going to have our beans from our garden as well. Green beans.
Canned.
So I'll bring you right back when I get this plated up. You're gonna. Okay, we're back. Here they are plated up. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? Let's take a look at this.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh. Let me tell you, folks. I know it's going to be good. Hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. Hot. Oh, good. But it's good. And let's try these scalloped potatoes. Oh, yeah. Folks, you got to try this scalloped potatoes. They are the best. And my Salisbury steak is too. Watch Tomorrowaday Farms. She's bringing out a Frugal Friday. And what a perfect dish for Frugal Fridays. Hamburger, all the stuff from home. Everything's from home. Beans are grown in my garden. That cow ran around the yard for 10 years. I got them though. And Peg's dehydrated potatoes. Awesome. Great dinner. We'll see you later. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up. Ring that bell. Ding-a-ling-ling. See you then.